Hello, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to deeply smoke connector from the mid on the T side on Mirage map. If you take mid control, you can go stack yourself in this position, and as you can see there is one shiny point on this palm tree. I'm talking about this. I'm for that. And just press left click. This smoke will go like this and covers the connector. Of course, CT cannot see you are pushing the short or something from the A side, so it's very useful. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Bye!